For decades, we've been fed a single seductive gospel: Robert Kiyosaki's Rich Dad, Poor Dad. It's the book that promised to liberate the masses from the rat race through financial IQ and debt. But in the shadows of the 2026 economic shift, a controversial alternative has started to surface in underground circles. The title, Rich Mom, Unknown Dad, isn't a complex economic allegory. It's a blunt, cold-blooded insult. It's a direct reference to the bastardized morality of the modern world. It targets every aspiring millionaire who is willing to do anything, legal or not, ethical or not, to climb the ladder. Today, we're going to analyze this book chapter by chapter. We'll see why the rich dad model is failing. Kiyosaki's first commandment is, the rich don't work for money. He teaches us to find loopholes and let the system work for us. But Rich Mom, Unknown Dad exposes the rot at the heart of this logic. The book argues that this financial IQ is often just a mask for social parasitism. If everyone stops working to create real value and everyone starts chasing leverage and passive income, who is left to build the world? The book suggests that by glorifying the shrewd over the honest, we've created a generation of speculators who can't drive a nail or grow a tomato, but know exactly how to flip a subprime mortgage. It's a call to return to the integrity of labor, the kind of work that actually regenerates the world instead of just draining it. In the Rich Dad universe, your home is a liability because it doesn't put money in your pocket. Rich Mom, Unknown Dad offers a visceral reality check. In an economy facing energy blackouts and supply chain collapses, your cash flow from a digital rental platform is just a line of code. The book introduces the concept of the supreme asset. Unlike paper assets, a biological asset like a permaculture garden, a private well, or off-grid energy has 100% intrinsic value. It doesn't matter if the stock market crashes or the dollar devalues by 50%. These assets provide calories, water, and heat. As the author points out, you can't eat your dividends when the grocery store shelves are empty. This is the pivot from rich dad speculation to financial prepper resilience. Kiyosaki loves corporations as a shield against taxes. He encourages us to hide behind legal entities to keep what is ours. But the critique in this book is haunting. This shrewdness is exactly what's destroying the social fabric. If the rich dad system encourages everyone to avoid contributing to the common good, the result is a world where even the millionaires aren't safe. What good is your corporate shield when the streets outside are crumbling and clean air is nowhere to be found? The book challenges us to invest in a lifestyle that doesn't just evade taxes, but actually reduces our need for a failing infrastructure. One of the most powerful chapters deals with the reality of calamities. Using the recent events in the Middle East as a grim example, the book asks, when the power goes out, which side will you be on? The looters or the builders? This is the ultimate exit from the rat race. While the rich dad model teaches you to be a wolf in a world of sheep, Rich Mom, Unknown Dad challenges you to be an architect of a new reality. It argues that true wealth in 2026 isn't measured in digits on a screen, but in your ability to cooperate, to grow, and to sustain your community. In a crisis, the person with a bank of seeds and a working well is wealthier than the one with $1 million portfolio they can't access. The book is also a tribute to the forgotten values: honesty, manual skill, and the dignity of building something that lasts. The book isn't just a parody, it's a search for a lost moral compass. It tells us that the greatest trade of this decade isn't finding the next crypto. It's trading your devaluing paper wealth for physical and psychological autonomy. It's about being able to look your children in the eye and show them a job that involves more than just manipulating a system that is rigged against them. It's about providing a healthy life in a healthy society, even if the rich dad is trying to sell the floor from under your feet. Robert Kiyosaki taught us how to play the old game. Rich Mom, Unknown Dad warns us that the stadium is on fire and the game is over. If you're tired of scummers and gurus and you're ready for a brutally honest, satirical, yet deeply serious look at what wealth actually means today, you need to find this book. And it might just be the most important illegal education you'll ever receive. Become the architect of your own survival. And remember, well-tended garden has never filed for bankruptcy. I'll see you in the next one.